A quick update on Turbo here. So Turbo right now is running the risk at going lower. So we're going to watch this closely. We watched it on the live stream, of course. We'll zoom out in just a moment, but just here on the daily and the 3-day candle chart, you can clearly see we need to get a daily candle. Let me switch back to the daily here. If we can get a daily candle over this 382 at about 2.5, we're getting stuck right now. Then we can be bullish short term, and we'll see if this thing can push to the upside. So 2.5, let me zoom it in a little, up to about 2.7. And the breakout confirmation would be short term high to the low over 0.003 here. If we can get over that, then you know this thing's going to go back up. But we do have this bear flag in play at the moment on the 3-day, and you can also see it on the weekly. So we really need to get over those levels there. Now, just zooming back out, weekly, monthly chart. Let me go ahead and get this smaller one off. You can see we are from the ultimate low to the high. We're holding bullish over the macro 3-2 at 0.018. So that should be it. And that's our level to stay bullish. If this bear flag does play out and we break this level at 1.8, then we run the risk of this thing dropping to way lower prices here. So this is pretty much a must-hold price. Well, it is technically to stay bullish here, because the next target down is a 45% drop down to 1.3 here on Turbo. So you have to get over those key levels there, those key prices, for this thing to be bullish once again. And then, the question is, where is this thing going to end up, of course? It's all going to depend on where it breaks down to. So we'll just kind of focus on the next big stop here, up to the 1618 at 3 pennies. So if we can get Turbo to a 3 penny price, then that would be your 13.5x here. And then if you think it's going to hit a 10 billion market cap plus, which I think it will, we do have this 14 to 15 cent range. So we do have a 57 to 60 X in play on Turbo as of right now. But like I said, we'll update it all the time here on the channel, on the live streams. And if it ends up breaking down, you'll get it at cheaper prices. At some point, it is going to have a decent run once we, flip the switch on these things. But we'll see what happens. Comment down below your thoughts on Turbo. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.